Hi! In front of me is OPPO Find X3 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by opening Play Store and installing Magic Fluids Lite Fluid Sim from Mad Scientist Developer. When it's ready, open it. Now to mute the music, tap on the bottom left corner and then select those three lines at the bottom right one. Tap on Set as Live Wallpaper and hit Apply. Now you can decide if you wish to apply it on home screen or home screen and lock screen by tapping on one of those options. Before it though, you can also click on this gear at the top left corner. Hit I accept in First Things First pop-up and check out all of those options. When you're ready, click on the top right corner, bottom one again, tap on Set as Live Wallpaper as before and hit Apply. Then, after making your choice, close Magic Fluids up. As you can see, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!